Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Singha and I work as a sales and application engineer in Accurate Sales and Service Private Limited. Today I will be showcasing the automation with our optical scanner. One of the model what we have displayed here is the Optima Plus M. If you see, we have integrated this with the UR Cobot. We have the plugins with our software where we can teach the robot through our software. This can be integrated to even the hands robot. The best part is you don't need to have the robot knowledge, just you need to connect the robot through the LAN to our system and the software will take care of the programming and everything. As you see the software, now the robot is in the home position and in a software single click I can make a program. In the program already we have given the path. So as this is a Cobot, you can move the robot manually to the position where you need to take the images. The basic principle is we need this magnetic markers to be placed on the component. It takes the images of the component from different angle and with the common marker it will merge the data. Real time it will scan. It takes around 1.2 seconds for one image and you can adjust the Cobot speed as per your cycle time. So I will just start the cycle and you'll get a demonstration of the same. So if you see, it has a bright blue LED light. So you can scan the object in any environment but not in a direct sunlight. So it has 7 megapixel camera. It takes 7 millions of points in one image. You can see the fringe pattern that is projected on the component. This pattern deforms as per the shape of the component and the data is captured by the cameras. The accuracy of this particular scanner is 9 microns if the component is within the field of view. The field of view of this scanner is 320 by 190 mm and the depth of 120. You can scan up to large component with this. Here we have used UR5E Cobot which has a payload capacity of 5 kg. We have different scanners model in this, right from the Optima model with 9 microns accuracy. Then we have a Quadro model which has 4 cameras, that is 2 field of views, and the field of view can be switched within a software field. If you see on the screen real time, the data has been captured. The point cloud is converted to the STL file. Automatically this data syncs to our inspection software. We are open to work with Polywork software. The GeoMagic has a direct plugin where you can automate your inspection and scanning process and get the fulfill inspection. Once the scanning is done, you can compare the data with the CAD model. You can give the tolerances, whatever mentioned on your drawing. You can align the component with the drawing requirement and you just click on the particular region, it will show you the deviation on the real time. For such automation requirement, do contact us on the below given link. Thank you.